We're here at Beach Picnic Area, south shoreline of Elk Lake, Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. And let's go take a look at this beach shoreline. Oh man, look at that. That is gorgeous. Here on the shoreline, you are perfectly situated with a money shot, a direct view, panoramic wonderland of South Sister Mountain straight ahead. Today is October 16, 2025. You can see we've already started to have the annual snow deluge. A little bit of marshmallow white pop there on South Sister Mountain straight ahead. Oh man, this is gorgeous. Something about that ethereal mist fog coming off Elk Lake. According to my Jeep Wagoneer thermostat, it's about 27 degrees right now, so it is frosty, below freezing. The lake hasn't fully frozen yet. As I was driving down Cascade Scenic Byway, some of the lakes are starting to freeze, like Devil's Lake is freezing a little up north, but we're a little lower elevation here, so these haven't fully frozen yet. This, my friend, absolutely magical.